Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the row widget in Flutter Android. If we want to align a group of widgets in a horizontal direction, we will use the row widget. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called myApp. This is the myApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomepage. This is the myHomepage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomepage_state. This is _myHomepage_state class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, first, we call the scaffold widget, which is the base, upon which we will draw other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we use our title variable as the title of this app bar. Then we set the body attribute to the row widget. Inside the row widget, we have written several text widgets as the children widgets of the row. So all these text widgets will be placed one after another in a row. The main axis and cross-axis alignments of the row are set to the center. The main axis of the row means the horizontal direction, and the cross-axis of the row means the vertical direction. So the children of the row will be placed at the center in both vertical and horizontal directions. Let's run the app. As you can see, this is the row widget that placed its children text widgets in a row, one after another. So that's it. That's how you can implement a row widget in Flutter Android. Thank you.